Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is From Thoughts to Things, and I am Tony. Today we're going to be making this wonderful shirt that I have on. Yes. We're going to be making this shirt. We're going to be using our regular Caesar Easy Weed, I believe it is. And we're going to be using TeckWrap Puff Glitter vinyl. Yes, not just puff, but glitter puff. That's what we're doing. So before we get started, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you'll see all of the videos that I post going forward. But let's get started. Let's start on our shirt. Okay guys, well, I started in Creative Fabrica. I was looking for a Capricorn shirt, so my search was for Capricorn, and I found this SVG that I really like, this design that I really like. So I went on ahead and I downloaded it to my computer. So but that's where I got it, from Creative Fabrica. And I've already downloaded it to my computer and made the changes, but I'll do it again so I can show you guys what I did. So I clicked upload, and then I said upload image, then click browse, and here it is, this Level of Savage SVG. I want it in in the SVG version, so I'm going to double click that, and here it is. So now I'm going to hit continue, and since it's in SVG form, it's not going to ask me to do any removing the background or anything like that. So I'm going to upload it because it's already a cut file. That's why. And it comes in really big. So what I'm going to do is change it to like 11, and then it gets smaller for me. So for this one that we're working on right now, I want to get it to look like this. So I am going to, I know what's wrong. I don't want this black background on here. So let me get this and make this a group, so we'll see it. So for this one, I'm going to ungroup this one. And this background, this black background, oops, I don't want it. I'm going to just delete that off of there. All right, so now I got it how I want it. I just need to make a couple of changes. I want this Capricorn to be in pink. I want this check mark to be in green, and I want Savage to be with pink. So let's start from the beginning. So over here on our layers panel, it tells us every layer we have, and here's my check mark. Actually, I want to ungroup this. Maybe not. So I'm going to take this check mark and I'm going to take it outside the group. I hope I didn't just put it with the other group. Let me undo that. Sorry about that. This is this group. This is this group. All right. And I'm going to actually move this group to the top, so because this is the one we're working on. All right. This check mark, I'm going to take this and take it out of the group. And I'm going to change the color to green. I want that to be a green puff vinyl. And then the next part of this group is the Capricorn and the box. There we go. So I'm going to keep that the same, but because these are in individuals, I'm going to have to unite them so it prints all together, but I'll do that at the end. So that's that group. I want actually Capricorn to be, I'm going to take Capricorn out of the group as well, because I want Capricorn to be pink. Not that pink, this pink. All right. I want I changed the wrong thing. I changed let's change this. Okay. Let's change Capricorn to pink. All right. I don't think that's the right pink. There we go, this pink. All right. Now that we've changed Capricorn to pink, we need to just make one more change, which is the Savage. So Savage, we're going to also change that to pink. Now, if we look, the Savage is kind of broken out where the triangle and then the inside of the A's are separated. So we're going to take this Savage and we're going to take it all the way to the front. But sorry, let me undo that. Scroll up a little bit. So we're going to take this Savage and take it to the top. Just drop it at the top. All right. And now we're going to select combine and we're going to unite that. We can weld it. If weld is forever, unite is you can make changes. So we're just going to unite it this time around. And for Capricorn, we're also going to unite Capricorn. Sorry, did I select? There we go. All right, so Capricorn is united. Savage is united. We've got our green check mark, and everything else should be white. So we're going to take this group, the rest of the stuff that we have in white, and we're going to actually, let's take level of off. So let's take this out of the group because it's at the top and I really don't want it to, I don't want it to all cut in one piece because I don't want to waste vinyl. So let us take level of, and we're going to, because as you can see, level of is all in separate pieces, so it's not one word put together. So we're going to combine it and unite that as well. And the rest of the groups, we're going to take that and we're going to unite it. So now when we get ready to make it, oh, well, we can make it to whatever size we want. We can make it as big as small we want. But your Cricut is only going to take up to 11.5 in width. You can make it longer, but not if you have a 24 inch mat, but you can't make it wider. And why would you? Your shirt is only so big. So let's go ahead and make this one. We're going to hide this one. Well, let's group it together and then hide it. And then we're going to go ahead and make this one. And as you see, our low, medium are together and our level of is by itself. But I'm going to put this up here so we don't, well, let's mirror it because it's going to be heat transferred. Anything that's heat transferred needs to be mirrored. But we're going to go ahead and put this level of here so that we don't waste vinyl. I do not like to waste vinyl. And I'm actually going to do something else to make sure that we don't waste vinyl. I'm going to flip this. And that way when we cut it off, we can cut this piece too. So, I hope that makes sense, guys. Waste not, want not, right? All right. Let's move to our next one, which is our Savage. We're going to mirror that as well. And that looks good to me. And our green layer, I'm going to move this because I just want to make that like this. So when I put the piece on the mat, it will, I know exactly how long and wide it needs to be. So I'm going to actually mirror that. And let's continue. We're going to send it to our Cricut and then print it out. Print it out. We're going to cut it. All right, for these two layers are going to be puff glitter vinyl. So I am actually going to select glitter iron on for both of these. But let's go ahead and send our first item to the these two layers are going to be puff glitter vinyl, and this layer is going to be just regular HTV. So let's go ahead and start and send it to our Cricut. Okay, let's go ahead and start to weed our vinyl. All right, here's our check mark here. It's kind of cute, right? I hope you guys can see it. All right, and here it is. Level of and then medium and low. All right, let's go ahead and press these onto our shirt. Okay, so first we're going to start, as always, by lint rolling our shirt, making sure we got the lint off so our vinyl can adhere well to our sweater. Well, it's our hoodie, right? Move this out of the way a little bit. All right, we're going to do a pre-press. Five seconds at 310. And now we're going to set up our shirt, our stuff on our shirt, so that we put things in the right place. We don't need that right now. Yes, we do. It's at the, oh, it goes the same as Savage. Okay, perfect. So we don't need that right now, but we do need this. All right, let's get our handy dandy ruler. All right, that's straight. Now let's make sure this stuff is straight. Uh-oh, moved it. And lined up. All right, now that's ready. I'm gonna take Savage off because that's gonna be a different heat setting. And we're gonna go ahead and press that down. Okay, so this should be a, yes, warm peel, which I like, a warm peel. All right, now we need to turn down our heat press because the puff vinyl needs to be set. And let me make sure, yes, oh no, it says 310. And it's set at 310. All right, I guess we don't have to lower the temperature. I'm used to lowering the temperature for puff. Okay. That's probably why the other one didn't puff up for me the last time. Okay. So let's add our Savage again the right way. And this is going to take 2 presses. And all we need to do now is find our check mark that, okay, here it is. It was underneath all of the garbage, the vinyl that we weeded out. Oh no, oh I did. Can we do that like that? I don't want it to touch Capricorn. All right, it says they have the instructions here, and it says 15 seconds. So let's go ahead and let that go. All right, let's see how it puffs for us. Oh, and it puffed. Absolutely puffed. Okay, I love it. You guys see that? Do you love it? I absolutely love it. Hi guys, thank you for staying to the end. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something. I hope you liked the video. I hope you've subscribed to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. What do you think about the shirt? Isn't it amazing? Let's talk about it in the comments. And once again, I got this TeckWrap. I ordered it. This is the first time I used this TeckWrap glitter puff vinyl, and I really like it. So if you like it, get it. I'm not sponsored by them, but so far so good. I'll let you guys know if it like messes up in the wash or something. But once again, thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a wonderful rest of your day.